welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be my first ever video and I'm going to be reviewing the Philips Lumia IPL hair removal machine. So for the longest time I've wanted laser hair removal, but I just didn't really want to spend £1,000 plus in a salon, and I was just a bit scared to potentially waste my money on a machine that didn't work. But I did a bit of research, watched a few YouTube videos, and decided to purchase the Philips Lumia IPL machine. Mine is the BRI 956 model, and this comes with four attachments, one for your underarms, your face, your bikini and the rest of your body. So I purchased this in December for £350 and I absolutely love it. I've used it 4 times so far and I can honestly see a difference in the growth of my hair. So I shaved my legs 4 days ago and my legs are still smooth and I've got very, very little hair growth. Obviously, I've still got more treatments to do. I think you do 8 to 10 treatments and then top it up every so often, but I'm honestly so impressed with the results. So if you don't know what IPL is, IPL works by emitting pulses of light that are absorbed by the skin and the hair root, which causes the hair follicle to go into a rested state. And as a result, the hair follicle sheds the hair and it prevents regrowth. So obviously the science behind it, blah, blah, blah. This machine has 5 intensity of light settings. Obviously, the intenser the light that you use, the quicker you'll see results. I've only used setting 5. I think when I first started, I used like setting 1 because I was scared it was going to hurt. But in regards to the pain, I would describe it as like a little sting, very, very, very minor. It's not too painful. It's a bit more uncomfortable in the underarms and the bikini area, but I find that if you shave just before you use the machine, it really does reduce the kind of like effects. The last time that I used the machine, I didn't have any discomfort with my legs. It was a little bit more uncomfortable under my arms, but I think the first time that I used it, it was the most painful. But yeah, I honestly love it. When you get the machine, you can download a Philips app to your phone and it tracks your treatments and tells you how to use the machine if you're unsure. So I honestly recommend it so much. I think it's amazing. I'm so impressed with the results. I do think it works. Even if I stop now, I would be happy with what the results I've got so far. The fact that I don't have to shave my legs every day and the fact that I can go 4 days without having to shave my legs is just amazing for me. I hated shaving my legs. I hated the prickliness that I'd get like 6 hours after I'd shaved my legs. It was horrible, and the itchiness. But yeah, unfortunately, if you've got really dark skin, you can't use this machine. If you've got white, really blonde hair or ginger hair, this machine won't be suitable for you, but do your research before you buy the machines. But yeah, I honestly love it. I really do recommend it. I do understand that it's £350, which is quite expensive, but I do think if you could share it, like split the cost with like a friend, a family member who also wants it doing, it's totally worth it, because every treatment you do 2 weeks. I've got 4 weeks between my next treatment. So you could just like swap it, like give it to a friend the next day, or like your sister could use it the next day. It's so easy. It takes about an hour and a half to do full body, but yeah, I think I've covered everything. Sorry if I was rambling. I hope this was semi-informative. Sorry, apologies if it wasn't, but thank you so much if you've gotten this far into the end of the video, and please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. It means the world. Bye.